Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel Smart Online Income. In this video I'm going to show us how to claim PAWS. PAWS claiming is open, and today is being 13. We are supposed to start the claiming, so I'm going to show us if you have not claimed your PAWS or you don't know how to claim it. In this video I'm going to demonstrate the process involving claiming it. It is simple. PAWS has announced that claiming can be done through Bybit and the Bybit. So let's dive in and see how the process is done. First of all, let's open our Phantom wallet and look for PAWS. You are going to do the claiming through your Phantom wallet. Okay, here I have accessed a PAWS previously, so you type in PAWS.community. Let me click on it. Let's wait for it to open. Okay, this is it. Now click here. You have to tap on this place. Let me show you. Okay, tap on this place. Let's tap on it to access our PAWS. So click next. So this is it. The next thing you do is to click claim. Then click on this place, select it, have read and accepted the PAWS token airdrop. Continue. We have centralized and on-chain withdrawal. We are going to do the withdrawal through centralized exchange. Okay, click next. I'll be using Bybit for this withdrawal, so watch me how I'm going to do it. So click next. Now they're asking, do you have Bybit account? If you don't have Bybit account, you create one and do your KYC. But if you have already, click yes, I do. Now we need two things for the claim to be successful. We need Bybit UID and the deposit address. Let's go to our Bybit account to copy those information. Okay, let's wait for the Bybit to open. So the Bybit has opened. Now this is to access the UID. Let's go to profile icon. Now we have you click this place. Let's open our profile. Click on it. Okay, you can see the profile is open. Now look under here. This is the UID. So we are going to copy the UID number. It is copied already. Let's go back to Phantom and paste it. Oh, okay, let's wait for the Phantom to open again. I think it's there's a little bit delay, that's why it's starting afresh again. So I'll quickly do it so that it will not start afresh again. Okay, let's go back there, click PAWS.community. Okay, tap on this place. Next, claim, centralize, Bybit. Yes, I do. So let me paste I hope it will not start from beginning again. Okay, we have done this. Let's go to, now click deposit. This is where deposit is. Just tap on deposit here. You can see it from this place. So that we go and copy the address, the PAWS address. Now click on deposit crypto. Search for PAWS here. PAWS. Now we can see it here. Tap on it. It says choose chain type. We are choosing Solana. So PAWS under Solana, that is what we are choosing. Copy the address. Here is the address. I have copied it. Let's go back to Phantom and paste it. Okay, what you do now, we have paste the UID address and the deposit address. So you click next, then continue and confirm. Finish. That is the final. Now what I'm going to get is 6,015.53 PAWS. They are taking their gas fee from the PAWS I have. So you are not paying any gas fees through Solana. They are going to take some percentage from the PAWS you have, about 3%, which they have done so far. So this is how easy it is for you to claim your PAWS. If you have two PAWS accounts through Phantom, two different PAWS accounts, do not use the same PAWS you use in claiming one to claim the other. Use a different Phantom wallet, or you use different process. I use Phantom. You can use Chrome to claim it. So watch the video and follow the step. If this is the first time of coming across my channel, subscribe to my channels and click the notification bell to receive notification whenever I make a new video. Also like and share this video for others to see it. You can watch my playlist also. There are other interesting videos in my playlist for you to watch. Thank you for watching.